A company with a CMRLS system has IP peer networking configured between two offices in the same region. Each office is equipped with one call server, one signaling server, one enterprise media gateway, IP phones and digital telephones. To complete a call from a digital telephone at Site A to an IP phone at Site B, at which site will the media card resource be used? Option A. Site A only. Option B. Site B only. Option C. Both Site A and Site B. Option D. Neither site, a media card is not required. The correct answer is option A. If flooding is a concern for a site that will house a CMRLS platform, which redundancy configuration would you recommend? Option A. Nothing, because none of the CS1000M platforms support either redundancy schemes. Option B. Use campus redundancy to place a mirrored CS1000M platform in a separate building connected via fiber. Option C. Use geographic redundancy to place a mirrored CS1000M platform at a remote site connected via WAN in a non-affected region. Option D. Use a mix of Enterprise Media Gateway 1000T, EMG 1000T, and EMG 1000E systems to distribute trunking and analog telephone throughout parts of the region that are not affected. The correct answer is option C. In a CERLS system, how would a network planner provide connectivity between one or more Enterprise Media Gateway EMGE systems and the corresponding call server? Option A. An EMG 1000E has one native IP interface. Connect it to the same Layer 2 LAN connection on a switch with the call server. Option B. An EMG 1000E has two native IP interfaces for dual homing purposes. Connect each interface to their own redundant Layer 3 ELAN connections. Option C. An EMG 1000E has two native IP interfaces for dual homing purposes. Connect each to the same Layer 2 ELAN as its corresponding call server. Option D. An EMG 1000E has two native IP interfaces. Connect one interface to an ELAN with the call server and connect the other interface to the LAN with the call server. The correct answer is option C. Click on the Exhibit button. Given the CRLS network shown in the exhibit, which single network device could you use to create routed VLANs for the VoIP traffic management and signaling data? Image. Option A. Shared hub. Option B. Layer 2 switch. Option C. Layer 3 switch. Option D. Power over LAN, POL, device. The correct answer is option C.